What's happening, y'all? This is Joe over at Forge. We just got this clean 2018 Peterbilt 389 factory glider in. Look at this thing. The thing is absolutely a beast, right? So let's talk a little bit about this truck and just go over some of the details of it. So this truck right here has a Cat 6NZ in it with 650 horsepower, right? It's got the 46K rears, 23K pusher axle. The front's also sitting on steer axle air ride as well. Now, cool part about this truck is that they actually built it with the 52,000 pound New Way air ride suspension just to get the bigger bags, right? It's also got the long track air slide fifth wheel by Holland. And as you can see, just taking a look at this thing, super clean. Flat top sleeper with the fuel tanks painted white to match, and the headache rack painted white to match as well. This truck's gonna make someone very happy just because of how clean it is when you see this thing coming down the road. Super sharp looking truck that we got in today. And as everyone knows, they don't make those gliders anymore. They're pretty hard to find, especially in amazing condition like this one we have right here. Not to mention it's got a 6NZ in it, which is just, you know, as everyone knows. Don't gotta talk about too much about that. If you know, you know. Super clean. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. So this thing is going to be an 18-speed transmission. And it's got a super sweet custom interior. Let me just show you guys so you can see what we're talking about here. Take a look inside. The door panel, fully custom. Steering wheel, your dash and your gauge package. It's got the custom shifter right here. The Peterbilt logo on it as well. But check this out. Look at this gauge package. Super clean, well designed. All the buttons and switches look really good. And of course, what everybody loves, flat top sleeper, plenty of room back there. Take a look at the chair right here. Super sharp looking truck. They did a great job on designing this truck. And now we got it on our lot for somebody to make it theirs. Super, super clean. It's not like the 589 with the one-piece windshield as well that everybody's been complaining about. You get the nice two-piece one, which in my opinion just looks 1,000 times better. Look at this thing. So last thing I'll leave you guys with is just hearing this thing start it up. So let me go fire it on so you could hear what that 6NZ sounds like. Of course, it's got the keyless remote entry as well. Super nice perk. It's got both the keys too. Let's go ahead and fire her up, give this a listen. Oh yeah. One final walk around for you guys, just so you can see, you know, sitting on a double frame as well. All right, guys, if you're looking at securing this unit, you can head to forgetruckcenters.com. You can give our main line a call, 877-382-0070. This truck's going to be down at our Texas location, so give us a shout. See you guys on the next one.